Hello, today is March the 4th, 2017. My last call was looking for lower prices. We got them early in the day. Of course, we recovered them all, so if I had called for higher prices, I could have claimed that call was right too. It's just the way it works out sometimes. Anyway, for most of the day, we did trade in the red. During the day, MEJT said these drops were false moves, they wouldn't stick. Said that rally was false, we'd retrace, which we did, and there's no new MEJT signal for Monday. Well, usually when you hit a low early on, and you rally all day long and you close near the high, especially on a Friday, it's positive, and almost always that continues Monday when you reopen. But if we don't open up Monday, it's a sign of real trouble. I think there's a greater than likely chance that we don't open up Monday. Here's the problem. We rallied all day long, and although we were able to intersect with this prior low, we couldn't close over it. We couldn't close over these highs until the last 5 minutes, which didn't count. And what really is important is here's the initial move from the gap up on March 1. Here's that high, and we just couldn't equal it. So rallying all day long couldn't even come back up to this critical level. Now, I would like to have more confirmation than we have now that this high is going to hold for a while, as I think. It's possible the call's wrong, and if it's wrong, we should gap up Monday, promptly clear all these price levels. And it wouldn't kill the call until this thing falls, but it would put it on life support. If that doesn't happen, though, I think the most likely thing is we gap under this low. And if we gap under that low, that would create an island reversal, which is really what we need for ideal confirmation of the call for a high at this level. So I think Monday's market has a good chance of hitting its high in the first hour and dropping into the close. I think that it's more likely than not that we're going to have a gap outside of Friday's range. And I think there's a good chance the gap's going to be under this low, but I can't say it's a lock. Regardless of what happens, I know a lot of people have been calling this the end of wave 4, and this is wave 5. I still think that this rally and this rally count as 3s rather than 5s. I've seen some people count these at 5s. They might be right. I think it's a forced count myself. And if this count's correct, at some point we're going to have gray wave C down. I think there's a good chance that we're in it, but we need more confirmation than we have. And gapping under Friday's low Monday, if we held it into the close, that would be pretty good confirmation for me. So we're looking for a move outside of this range early on Monday. I'm hoping it's down, but I can't say it's a lock, and that's today's call.